हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू कनिकाज मैथ्स क्लासेस। आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 11 के क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 3.4 के, जिसमें हम जनरल सॉल्यूशन और प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन का डिस्कशन कर रहे थे फॉर द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन। 1 to 4 क्वेश्चन आर ऑलरेडी डन, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. We have cos 4x is equal to cos 2x. We have to find the general solution for this given equation. We can write it as cos 4x minus cos 2x is equals to 0. Clear? Now we are using the formula cos c minus cos d. It can be written as 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is 4x plus 2x by 2, into sin d minus c by 2, that is equals to 0. Further solve it, we get 2 sin 4 plus 2 6 by 2, that is 3x, into sin 2 minus 4, that is minus 2 by 2, that is minus x is equals to 0. Clear? Dividing by 2, and sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, we know that, so it can be written as sine of 3x into sine x is equals to 0. We know that if the product of two numbers or two functions are 0, then either one is 0 or next one is 0. So either sine 3x is equals to 0 or sine x is equals to 0. If sine 3x is 0, we know the formula. If sine x is 0, then x is n pi. So the general solution for this equation, general solution is 3x is equals to n pi, where n belongs to the set of integer. It may be positive and negative. So x is equals to n pi by 3. And if sin x is 0, then the same formula we are using here. X is equals to n pi, where n belongs to the set of integers. So question number 5 is done. We have the solution of the given trigonometric equation. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 देखेंगे. cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x बराबर 0. So start its solution here. We have cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x बराबर 0. Applying the formula cos c plus cos d, we have 2 cos 3x plus x by 2 into cos 3x minus x upon 2 minus cos 2x is equals to 0. Solving it, we get 2 cos 3 plus 1 4 by 2, that is 2x, into 3x minus x 2x by 2, that is x, minus cos 2x बराबर 0. We can take common cos 2x. We get in the bracket 2 cos x minus 1. So product of these two terms are 0. So either cos 2x is 0 or 2 cos x minus 1 equals to 0. Thus if cos 2x बराबर 0, we know that if cos x is 0, then x is, we have here 2x. 2x is equals to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Dividing by 2, we get x equals to 2n plus 1 pi upon 4, where n be positive or negative integer. And if 2 cos x minus 1 बराबर 0, then 2 cos x equals to 1 implies cos x is equals to 1 by 2. Cos x equals to 1 by 2. Then cos की वैल्यू 1 by 2, cos pi by 4 पे, sorry pi by 6 ये pi by 3 पे. Then we will apply the formula cos x equals to cos y, then x equals to 2n pi plus minus pi upon 3, where n belongs to set of integers. So question number 6 is done here. Let us see the question number 7. We have sin 2x plus cos x equals to 0. We have to find the general solution for this trigonometric equation. So let us start using the formula of sin 2x. We know that sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x plus cos x equals to 0. We can write the formula here using sin 2x equals to 2 sin x into cos x. So now we can take the common cos x. We get 2 sin x plus 1 equals to 0. Now the product of these two terms equals to 0. So either cos x 0 or 2 sin x plus 1 equals to 0. Thus if cos x equals to 0, then this implies, we know all the formula of sin x equal to 0, cos x equal to 0, we discussed earlier. Then x equals to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to set of integers. And if 2 sin x plus 1 equals to 0, then 2 sin x equals to minus 1 implies sin x equals to minus 1 upon 2, and sin में 1 by 2 वैल्यू होती है पाई ओवर 6 पर, 30 डिग्री पर ये वैल्यू होता है आपके पास. दिस इज अ नेगेटिव वैल्यू एंड इन द थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट साइन इज नेगेटिव. You know that in the first and in the second sign is positive in two quadrants, but in the third quadrant sign is negative. So we get sin x equals to sine of, for we are moving, we are shifting this angle in the third quadrant, so we are writing here pi plus theta. That is equals to sine of 6 pi plus pi. After taking LCM, solving it, we get sine 7 pi by 6. We know the formula. If sin x equals to sine y, then x is equals to n pi plus minus 1 की power n into y, that is 7 pi upon 6. So this is our answer. We are writing the formula which is used in this solution, that is sin x equals to sin y, then x equals to n pi plus minus 1 की power n into y. We use this formula here, so we are writing here. So this is the solution. This is the answer, and one more answer we have here. It is. So the solution of the given equation is 2n plus 1 pi by 2 and n pi plus minus 1 power n into 7 pi by 6. So our question number 7 is done here. Start the question number 8. In the question number 8, we have secant square 2x equals to 1 minus 10 2x. We know the identities which were used in the 10th class also and in the earlier exercise of this chapter. That is secant square theta is 1 plus 10 square theta. Here we have 2x, so we have 1 plus 10 square 2x equal to 1 minus 10 2x. We are writing here which is used in this here identity, that is secant square theta is 1 plus 10 square theta. Clear? So 1 cancel from both sides. We get 10 square 2x plus 10 2x equals to 0. Shift this term in the left side. Now we can take common 10 2x. We get 10 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Clear? Now product of these two terms equals to 0. Then either 10 2x is 0 or 10 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Firstly we will solve this. If 10 2x is 0, then the general solution is, we know that if sin x is 0, 10x is 0, the answer is same, x equals to n pi, where n belongs to set of integer. We have 2x here, so we get 2x equals to n pi. So x equals to n pi by 2. Clear? Now we are solving it. If 10 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Then 10 2x equals to minus 1, and 10 में minus 1, 10 में 1 वैल्यू होती है 10 of pi by 4 पे. It is negative and 10 is negative in the second quadrant, so we are shifting it in the second quadrant. We can shift in the second quadrant as 10 of pi minus pi upon 4. So after solving we get 4 pi minus pi, that is 3 pi upon 4. Now 10 2x equals to 10 of 3 pi by 4. Then the general solution will be is 2x is equal to n pi plus, we know that n pi plus y, here y is 3 pi upon 4, where n belongs to set of integer. We have 2x equals to this, so for the x we have n pi by 2 plus 3 pi upon 8 dividing by 2 here, where n belongs to set of integers. So in this way we get this solution, two solution here, one is this and one is this. So question number 8 is done here. For the question number 9, we have sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x equals to 0. We can write it as sin x plus sin 5x plus sin 3x equals to 0. First of all, we will apply the formula of sin c minus sin d for these two terms. We get 2 sin x plus 5x by 2 into cos x minus 5x by 2. So plus sin 3x equals to 0. So we have 2 sin x plus 5 x 6x, x by 2, that is 3x into cos x minus 5x minus 4x minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2x, plus sin 3x equals to 0. Now we are taking common sin 3x. We have 2 cos, and cos of minus theta is cos theta. Cos minus angle lies in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant cos is positive. So we have 2 cos 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Now product of these two terms are 0. So either this is equals to 0 or this equals to 0. So if sin 3x is 0, then general solution is, we know that if sin x is 0, then x is n pi. Here we have 3x, so 3x equals to n pi, where n belongs to set of integers. So x equals to n pi by 3. We will write here where n belongs to set of integers. Also, if 2 cos 2x plus 1 equals to 0, this implies cos 2x is minus 1 upon 2, and cos में 1 by 2 वैल्यू होती है cos 60 पे, so minus cos pi upon 3. It is negative here. Cos is negative in the second quadrant, so we will shift this angle in the second quadrant as cos of pi minus pi upon 3. Taking LCM and solving it, we get 3 pi minus pi, that is 2 pi by 3. So cos 2x equals to cos 2 pi by 3. Now using the formula, if cos x equals to cos y, then the general solution is x equals to 2n pi plus minus y. Here y is 2 pi upon 3. So x is dividing by 2, x is n pi plus minus pi upon 3, where n belongs to set of integers. We can write the formula which we are using here, that is, if cos x equals to cos y, then x equals to 2n pi plus minus y. So in this way our question number 9 is completed. By completing this question, this exercise 3.4 is completed and unit 3 trigonometric function is also completed here. Thank you.